Okay, hi, I'm John Peterson with GSI and excited to be here at the 2018 Farm Progress Show where we're introducing our new Z-Series bins with FlexWave technology. We introduced FlexWave technology as a concept last year at Farm Progress Show in Decatur, and we had a lot of excitement. Growers had a lot of questions, we had big crowds, and what they were really interested in was the fact that with this new technology you could completely unload a bin without ever shoveling, sweeping, or ever entering in, and which is really fantastic because it truly is zero bin entry. Anytime you have to go into a bin around a sweep auger or around grain, there's always a risk. And so the fact that you can completely unload your bin without ever entering in at the touch of a button is a real benefit. And so this year at Farm Progress Show, we're introducing our first product. And it's actually going to be available this fall for growers in a 24-foot bin. And so with that size bin, we think it's a great alternative to similar size hopper tanks. It's going to give more capacity, and it's actually going to be less expensive than a similar size hopper tank. Also a great alternative for those growers who are looking to store specialty crops or seeds that need gentle handling. Another great alternative there. And the way that it works is we've got two liners that alternatively inflate and deflate to gently roll the grain into a center reclaim. One of the questions we had the most when we were at Farm Progress last year was, how do you aerate the grain? Well, we've answered that with Z-Series. We've got some black tubes that you'll see, that attendees will be able to see on the inside of the bin. Air is actually pushed in through your standard aeration fans, through the center trough, down out through the tubes and up through the grain column, so that you can safely store your grain, comparable to standard bins. Another question we've gotten quite a bit: what about rodents, or what if you accidentally get a puncture? Well, with this system, it uses very low air pressure. The system runs at less than 0.1 psi, and so that little psi will lift up to 100 grains, or push up to 100 tons of material into the center unload. So if there's any accidental puncture, you can fix it with a simple glue patch.